how to stop your Android phone from tracking you and listening. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop your Android phone from tracking your activity and listening through the microphone. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with the step 1, that is to turn off Google Activity Tracking. So here, simply open the Settings app on your phone, and here once you're inside, then simply scroll down to the bottom, and there you simply have to tap on Google. Now here you can just tap on your Google account, and now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on Manage your Google account. And now here in this section, you simply have to scroll down and tap on Data and Privacy, and after that you simply have to tap on the option labeled as Wave and App Activity. So here I have already turned off this feature, but if you have enabled it, then what you can do is simply scroll down, and there you'll see the turn off button. So there you just have to tap on turn off and confirm it. And once you do that, this will stop Google from saving your searches, app uses, and voice data. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to turn off the location tracking. So here what you can do is simply go back to the settings, and now here what you can do is simply search for the location, and here you can just tap on location. And once you're inside the location settings, then you can simply turn off this location feature, and this will stop Google from tracking where you go. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to review the app permission. So here again, go back to the settings, and from here you can simply scroll down and tap on apps. Now here you can just tap on manage apps, and here you can select any apps that you don't fully trust. And here once you are inside it, then what you can do is simply tap on app permission, and from there you can remove access to the microphone, location, and camera. And with that, only allow permissions that are truly necessary for the app that you need on your phone. And once you do that, your phone may still collect basic data, but these steps will greatly reduce tracking and listening on Android. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.